you use CapCut PC, then you're probably familiar with CapCut telling you that your device memory is low and then your playback starts lagging. Well, not anymore, because there's a setting that can actually prevent you from having low memory. If you do this regularly, you're going to save yourself of a lot of lagging issues, especially when your PC is less than 16 gig RAM. Now you're going to open CapCut and go over to the top right section of the interface. You'll see a setting icon. Click on it and click settings. Now once you get there, under the draft, you're going to see cache size. Now you can see how mine is computing to see it's up to 5 gig. That's actually very high. So you will delete this. The trash icon beside it is meant to delete it. So you click on that and watch it delete. Note that if you have filters or effects or anything you downloaded before, it's going to delete as well. But I think that is a small price to pay for your PC to stop lagging when you are trying to review the playback of the videos you are editing. I advise you save up your project in a cloud space and do this regularly so that you can manage your PC with CapCut, because as you know, video editing takes a lot of RAM space, and when it does not have that space to use, it starts lagging, especially with the playback. If you're a CapCut user and you use CapCut whether with your mobile or with your PC, subscribe so that whenever I update this playlist, you're going to benefit from it. Every week I upload videos that helps your CapCut video editing smoother, so you can just check it out.